What kind of carnivorous plant can you grow on your windowsill? Obviously there is the Nepenthes, as I talk about on this channel, but there is also kind of other carnivorous plants that you can grow. And today we will discuss about them. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on Nepenthes on my windowsill since I moved to Canada. So today we will discuss about the other kind of carnivorous plants that you can grow on your windowsill. There is certain carnivorous plant that you can really easily grow, Cephalotus, Utricularia, some. All the Mexican Pinguicula are great too. So here is my Nepenthes, and beside you will have all the carnivorous plants that I grow. So on the right it's only Mexican Pinguicula. Here is Esseriana. It's really a lovely small Mexican Pinguicula. The shape is really awesome. From winter leaves to summer leaves, that's a great plant. And it produces a lot of flower, like all winter basically. Maybe, I don't know, this pot produce something like 20, 30 flower every winter. And I really like the color of the flower. So after we have Pinguicula moramensis. This plant is really crazy. It attracts and kills so much fungus gnat, and the flower is really great. After that we have Eleonphora. That's the minor. It's still really small and slow growing, but I mean that's healthy and growing, so I cannot complain. And it looks like it will finally grow better by spring. So after that we have the Cephalotus. That's really also a nice carnivorous plant. I really like the shape of this picture, and this one is small, but later it should be way bigger. Nice, right? After that we have Pinguicula weather, an hybrid. Nice too, nice flower. And here is my salad. So that's Utricularia longifolia, so long leaves. But don't take care of the leaves, the flowers. The flowers are awesome. They last like orchid forever. Maybe for 4 months during winter, I will have this kind of flower. It's really, really a nice plant. I really love it. It was parasite. I was not wanting it. I had it with some sphagnum I bought a few years ago. And really every winter I will have a lot of beautiful flower. So good. You have also the Drosera. Capensis is the basic, really strong plant. But on my windowsill during winter, because of the furnace, it will get too dry to have this glue. So that's why it's downstairs. But it should be back on the windowsill like in few months. But other Drosera, like this Andromeda, won't work. It needs too much moisture, too much humidity to produce this gooey glue. This is so sticky that I believe no insect, no flying insect will ever fly again after that. I interrupt you a minute to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the bell? That's the best way for you to see more and more videos like that. And there is some carnivorous plants that you absolutely don't want to grow on your windowsill. Like all the temperate species. All the species that will need a dormancy, winter dormancy. It's not the good things to do. You will always cross people on forum, Reddit, Facebook, whatever, that will argue, oh, I can grow my Sarracenia, I've been growing my Venus flytrap 2 years on my window and that's doing great.
Yes, but that's temporary. These plants need a dormancy. So they need to stay put, to slow down, sleep for at least a month or two during the winter. Something between 0 Celsius, so the freezing point, and plus 5 to 10 degree. So cold, not crazy cold, but still a dormancy. So if you want these plants, Venus flytrap, Sarracenia, the Darlingtonia, if you want this kind of plants to last few years, to last long actually, these plants can live up to 10 plus years. But on the windowsill, if it's always summer, because that will be always sun and warm, they will get exhausted really quickly and they will end up degenerating, dying, so that's not what you want. Focus on plants that can handle the constant temperature. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and yes, I would be happy to see what kind of carnivorous plants do you grow on your windowsill. So until next time, happy growing!